Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Sandy from Sandhai Pechu. So hope you guys doing good. So my students have started booking profits in all the stocks today. So after yesterday I posted a video about Nifty, Bank Nifty analysis, what is going to happen next. So in that video Evils is also there. So Evils given almost close to 20 points today, and students have started booking profits as of now. Okay. So okay, this video is talking about is going to talk about a completely about the price action, pure price action method, which is a company called Liberty Shoes. It's a small cap stock, and just market cap of less than 300 crores stock market cap company. So this stock is given a very good breakout on the weekly time frame. That's what I'm going to talk about right now. You guys can enter after this breakout on next week or pullback. So don't jump into the trade like just sudden upside breakout. Just wait for the pullback or retracement, then you can enter. So probably we can expect another 20 to 25 points as a target. See, just consult a financial advisor. I'm not a SEBI registered guy. So given a beautiful breakout. See, you can see in the monthly time frame, just given a very good breakout. So I just want to share with you guys. See, inside the channel, a small channel, again a channel. So inside channel we have almost like two channels. So this channel is also given a like touching the support. This is a good entry as of now in 2019, but nobody has noticed the stock. So slowly market is going up. See, 79 to 80 range. Right now market is 160, 186. Today also market has given, this month is also market has given close to 8% up. So last month is also 19%. So this stock is given again, we can expect again 220 range, again 220 210 range in the future side. So just keep the stock in your watch list, consult a financial advisor, do your analysis, then go for a price action method as a trading. So this is what I used to do, and I got the stock. I just want to inform you. So I'm going to invest in the stock on coming Monday or next week, because I'm waiting for a good fall, at least a 1% 2% fall. After that I can invest in the stocks. So this is what I just want to say, and stay safe always, and if you like this video, please like it. So share it and subscribe for more updates. Thank you. Stay safe always. Cheers. Bye bye.